Thokozani bogogo nomkhulu salukwa sendoda lese ugogo Bathini Mbatha. Umavula kuvala emzilami yamadoda. U-Auntie Usha, ngane zakwethu namhlanje sikhuluma nga-4 pillars of Isigubhu Sokuthwala. Lento yesigubhu ngane zakwethu abaningi siyithatha la singena ngekhanda elingacabangi lelo khanda futhi. Sababaningi abelaphi indabuko abazenzayo. Yes, kukhona abazenzayo right ezisebenzayo ngempela. Kodwa singakubalekeli ukuthi iningi abazenzayo ukulandela njena i-issue yemali. I go an extra mile when it comes to igubhu because I hate into engasebenzi. I hate it when I give somebody something and you find out it's not working or it didn't work for them. I don't like it. It makes me not to sleep well at night. So today soba sikhuluma ngokuthi yini insika gogo zesigubhu. Kahle gogo isigubhu senzani? Senzani isigubhu gogo? Yini insika zesigubhu gogo? Well, isigubhu one. Isigubhu is there as a pillar that will connect you with your ancestors, which is very important. 3, with your luck, which is again important. And then 4th one, which is the last one, that it will connect with your product, your business, everything that you are doing, whether uthathe isigubhu semfuyo, whether sethaveni, whether sokuba moshonisa, whether esan. Maybe you might ask me, ukuthi gogo, ungasifaki isigubhu kulama pillars. Angikwazi ungasifaki because le isigubhu sisodwa sinekhona laso esibambele kulona isigubhu. So indima yesigubhu inkulu lokho but inkulu hayi ngokwanele ukuthi maybe it dominates others. So I mean you can't have isigubhu and not having luck or let's say ancestors in order, or not having luck in general, and not having a plan ukuthi why am I taking this isigubhu? What will I do with this group? What will this group do for me? That's why ngisibeka ngithi in these 4 pillars, allow me to say isigubhu lesi esokuqala. Into esibile na empilweni unedlozi, whether they clean or alikho clean. Into esithathu elokhuzana i-issue enhlanhla. Inhlanhla yakho ingakanani? How much luck do you have? Then the 4th one, what are the status of your business? What business are you in? We're facing COVID-8 and everything. If these 3 can come together and work positively as you were promised, will this business of yours still survive during this time of COVID-19? These are the things that we need to ask ourselves, guys. Many people came here and say, Gogo, I had to close down. What happened? COVID. The business was doing well, Gogo. I was fine. I was making turnarounds, 10 times money. I was normally working and everything. But the reality, don't allow people to be at a certain number, to be the certain number in my business. So that kills my business because I can only start making a profit if I have 51 plus capacity to my business. So I had to close the business. You see, lapho kukhuluma umuntu owaziyo umbombo kathisha, umuntu that has a background in training, not varsity only, not a diploma, not what, but just a knowledge ukuthi how things are done. So I'll start with number 4. Isigubhu eningi, they're not working because you do not have a knowledge, a passion, actually an idea of what you're doing in your business. You don't. Somebody came here, I'm running a tavern in Cape Town. Sabophela nabafowethu lana sabophela samnikeza into yakhe wahamba wayosebenza. Uyabuya, Gogo is coming well. I bought tonight double cab van. I'm very happy. Things are going well. No, I just felt Gogo ukuthi ngizosithivate nje ngithole ibhavula la ekhaya. We got into that treatment. Within 3 months, he comes back as a Gogo. My business falling apart. You know, go kunhlutsha amaphoyisa, this and this and this and this. Then I asked a question that I was not supposed to ask. He was supposed to tell me. Okay, Mhlekazi, do you have a license? Actually, I've asked him ukuthi why uthlutsha amaphoyisa. Kanti awunayo license not? No, I don't have a license. Guys, isigubhu ngeke sihambe sokulandela license yokuthengisa utshwala. Guys, idlozi lilodwa will never go and get you a license yotshwala. Guys, your luck alone will never translate into a license yotshwala. So that's why the number 4, which is your business now, is failing. But if bungenile ukuthi Gogo, I'm running an illegal business, which is I'm selling alcohol. My papers are still in process, as he's claiming. Bengizokwazi ukuza nemithi ezophebeza amaphoyisa. Imithi ezoyenza ukuthi amaphoyisa amafile ukuxoxiswana. It does happen. I'm not afraid to say that. Namaphoyisa futhi ayakwazi lokho. So you didn't tell me. So now you coming back uzoclaim ukuthi isigubhu asisasebenzi. No, isigubhu siyasebenza. But the environment in which you expect isigubhu to work on, it's not conducive for sona. The ancestors that are with isigubhu sakho are not in a conducive space. Your luck is running away from you because you are taking shortcuts. So it is really entirely up to us. Ukuthi masifika enyangeni siyofuna usizo noma esangomeni noma umthandazo. Are we willing to tell nothing but the truth? Are we willing to say it as it is? Ukuthi here's the challenge that I'm facing. Ngifuna isigubhu, but this is the kind of business I'm working. Ngifuna isigubhu, but umsebenzi wami ngiwenzayo awuna office, udinga mina ngiphume ngiye kubantu. Meaning ngizosikhulumisa nje endlini. So we know ukuthi kunezinto okufanele ukuthi zisetshenziswe kuwena ke manje egazini ezihambelana nensila yemali. They are part and parcel of isigubhu. Umuntu athi Gogo, I'm running a butcher. Hey Gogo, angisazi abantu abathengi and everything. You go to that butcher, there's no stock. It's filthy. It's filthy. Abana le device lena le edonsa impukane ebulala impukane. No, it's a mambo jumbo butchery. Then you ask a person ukuthi, so you want isigubhu to clean this place, to paint this place, to fumigate this place, and to give you fresh meat, and to make sure then that people are coming. What ya Gogo, I thought isigubhu senza lokho. Ngithi ngizwile ukuthi ngitheni. Ungizwile ukuthi ngitheni, uzwile ukuthi ngibuzele. No, Gogo, not physically cleaning and everything, but at least mangathola imali and then ngenze lezo zinto lezo. No. Guys, isigubhu will never do groundwork for you. Hambe yolala. Ukutshela lokho yakhohlisa. Isigubhu will never do groundwork for you. You need to start and be ready for the 4th pillar. Be ready for your business to kick. You need to start. Wena uwedwa nje. You need to start. You need to, if your job is to go out and approach people and everything. Chief, polish icathulo. iron blue or take it to dry cleaner if that's what is required. Wash your shirt, iron your shirt. Be smart, get a cologne, smell good. Cut your nails, brush your teeth. Be ready. Be ready. Then tell me, practice how do I talk to people? How do I approach people? Go to Google. Ask somebody that you trust to sit down with you and say, look, let's pretend I'm selling you this product. And I want you to tell me my approach, would you buy that product? Abanye bathengisa amapolisi athi umuntu ipolisi moshonile uzothola 10 million. But kuyena awuboni even 50 rand. Kuyena mombhekile ayikho ngisho 50 rand kuyena mombhekile. Why? The way addressing ngakhona. That's why there's a motivational speaker ethi be smart and act the part. Dress your brand, which is yourself. Which is yourself. But we don't want to do that. All we want, scope in. I've met one of the guys, Epongolo. Just recent days, he's selling products for one of the big companies. Bekafigile ekhaya and everything. I sat down with him. I told him, Chief, don't waste your money. The first thing you find your yenza, go change your wardrobe. Make sure you has tintator. Make sure we are drying into to our guests. Because usebenza ngabantu, brush your teeth, do this. Because mina mafike emakhosini awekho amahloni. Yes, amanye amagama esesiwakhuluma esemakhosini aqosheme, but iqiniso. Mona kwamakhwapho nokwamakhwapho. That's it. That's how it is. Hayisavumelana hayi kulungile gogo. Hey nyabonga omunye umuntu bayazovela athatha imali yami in go wahamba. Ngihlala naye elokhuzaneni ophongolo. He's still the same if not worse. Winukola makhwapha kusekuseni uyabona ukuthi lesikipho vele wasithatha wasigqoka uyabona ukhuluma nami ulokhathi ya gogo man khathala man kade ngivukile ngiphansi phezulu ngifunana nabantu in khona ngizobuya and everything. I said okay, no, all the best. Ngaphuma kuye. Why gogo uphuma kuye? Wangakhulumanga naye futhi? No, he came to me afuna usizo. And azange mnike lolu sizo telefoni, ngamnika something that is beyond usizo. Ngamnika something ukuthi noma mina sengasekho emhlabeni uyosala nayo lento leyo ukuthi yes, somebody was being fair to me and told me ukuthi this is what I need. Then isigubhu sokusebenzela. Umuntu athi ngine tech shop. Ngakhelene namakuchukuchu. They're taking all the businesses. No one comes in my business. Gogo, please help me. You give that person what you trust. That person comes. Hey, Gogo kusatule. Hey, Gogo kusatule. Hey, Gogo kusatule. Yeah. You end up saying, could you tell us, okay, give me your address. Or mofike kaya, send me a location, mofike store. I'm coming on Friday. Ngimtshela nini mhlawumbe Monday. I'm coming on Friday. Send me location uzodlula khona kunomuthi efana kuphathele wona. Yimina fanele ngihambise lo muthi. Yes, khona imithe njalo kodwa I was lying to him. I wanted to go to the shop. The shop was empty. There was no stock. And ngafika ekhathini zaseni ngabo 9:10. So that angangitsheni ukuthi hey izinto eningi bekhona seyithengiwe. There's nothing. Awekho amasweet kunengane ifika yathenga kunamasweet adumile nje ingane. I don't know whether stock sweet or what, but ingane ibize ngegama. Awekho. So he can't even attract izingane, the easiest market ever. He can't. Then I've asked him to say, Chief, what do you mean multi-scope sebenza? If somebody comes in here, afuna idum, you can't. I said, no, sangpele. ngithi but lo muntu lona ngeke athenge isinkwa lesi sikhona ufuna idum lo muntu uhlushwa umyana lo muntu akalalanga ebusuku uhlushwa umyana lo muntu uhlushwa amaphela lo muntu uhlushwa impukane endlini ufuna idum hayi enye into akafuni isinkwa ufuna idum. Do you have ama 2 kgs ama pieces? No. Asangiphelele okwamanje bawathenga lapha eKuchukuchu. Okay. So wena uplanile neKuchukuchu lakho uthi wena udayisa lokho wena yena adayisa lokho athi no. Bese umbuza umuntu uthi then how do you expect umuntu uthi uzolala edleni if njalo mayefika kuwena elambile ufuna ukuphekela umndeni wakhe? Wena awuna ama pieces. Guys, I can give examples kuzokushonela. The 4 pillars of Isigubhu is Isigubhu itself. It's your ancestors. Isigubhu sakho must be connected to ancestors. There must be a clear network between Isigubhu sakho and your ancestors. Isigubhu sakho must connect you, your ancestors and your luck. It must be together. Ilakhe yakhe ngadonsi lena uthi uhambile bathi kusale kwasebenzeka uthi uyabuya hayi ibhizinisi liyama ngoba ukhona. Fanele yonke indawo ufika kuyona izinto zakho zenzeke. Isigubhu sidinga ibhizinisi owaziyo or iidea oneshow ngayo. Athi umuntu I'm in tenders. Ngifuna isigubhu sama tender. Umnika isigubhu sama tender umnikeze umuthi lo esishunqisa ngawo ama document ukuthi abe nesithunzi akhetheke umnika konke lokho na staff sakho hamba yosebenza. Buyile omunye lana ufuna umuthi wamacala ufuna win case municipality uthatha ilokhuzana itender kuyena eka 50 million. Why he's not delivering? He's hardly on site. Abana ne staff abantu bayitotowe he's not paying people imali zabo and everything. What you expect Isigubhu to do in that case? What will Isigubhu do in that case? Tell me. Maybe I'm stupid, I don't know these things, but what will Isigubhu do for you if you are not delivering to your promise? If you don't keep your promise to your customers, if you don't keep a promise to your staff, you don't keep a promise to yourself and to the community, because umgwaqo or umphakathi akuwona wakho akuwona kwamasipala. So how do you expect Isigubhu to work for you? How? Inyanga in that case inyanga ezokutshela ukuthi noma kunjalo angeke bayithathe itender and everything uyifunela imali yakho lo muntu. Lo muntu uyifunela imali yakho lo muntu lo. Mina ngiyakujikisa nemali yakho. And ayikho ngempela into engizoyenza. Because ngiyakutshela ngithi uthe ufuna Isigubhu. Angithi wangitshela ngale tender le angithi you brought documents angithi ngakutshela ngathi uzoyithola mina ngiba kabili ngizokutshela ngithi hayi ake sihambe siyoshaya kodwa mabafikile abakini bangitshena bathi le yethu ngizokutshela ukuthi hayi le yakho le hamba uyenza. And guess what, I think Isigubhu sakhe wasilanda I think imali ayishota kwaku around 5,000. He didn't bring it. Magathola a certain millions of the first invoice that he submitted. I was expecting that is then that he's going to come and pay the balance. He didn't. But he was brave enough to come to me ngoba sakasenkingeni to tell me ukuthi Isigubhu asasebenzi sakaxabana nabantu and everything. So what do you expect me to do? To perform miracles? To give you Isigubhu esolanda uNkulunkulu uqobo simbeke la emhlabeni ashaye bonke labantu abakuhluphayo okuyiwena obahluphile eqala? No, life doesn't go that way. No. If you are not fair to life, life is not going to be fair to you, and there's no scope that's going to assist you on that. Salwa sendoda uGogo Bathini Mbatha Mavula emzini namadoda uAuntie Usha uLocksmith ukhiya omkhulu sikhathisa ukhiya nganza kwethu yonke into esiyenzayo siyenza ngendlela umuntu asuke efise ngayo. Siyacela abantu babe careful about the scammers in my name to say hey faka imali sihlola ibooking hayi uthi uyafona sokhuluma umuntu athi hayi ngumama wala ekhaya mina in the only ladies okuyibona ama females yilabo abasenze office ku number ka 035 799 5703 035 799 5703. Nobody else. Akekho umunye umuntu esizothi hayi uyasiza la ekhaya umama la ekhaya ubamba amafoni noma wenzani. No. So guys, please, the next time you take Isigubhu, consider the 4 pillars that I've spoken about, and then if you feel you're ready, especially with the 4th one, because these 3 pillars, I will do them for you. But if you are ready with the 4th one, if you want your business to boom, if you want things to happen into your life, I'm the man for you. Or just find somebody, but ask questions. You don't have to come to Gogo Bathini Mbatha. Baningi abantu abenza igroup. Go to them, ask questions. Isigubhu sakho singisiza ngani? This is the state of my business. Will isigubhu sakho still help me? This is the state of my mind. Will isigubhu sakho still help me? Kunosisata fikile last and everything. And when she walks in the consultation room, there was a black cloud. And I've told you, this is why you're stressed. You're stressed. Trust me, we spoke in tears, both of us. We spoke. She left with nothing. Why? Because abakubo bamlethe ukuthi azokhuluma. Yes, she wanted something, whether it's Isigubhu or yini. But uhambe athole something that is beyond Isigubhu. That is traditional healing. That's why we have African clinic, because we want to separate issues. So from May, African clinic, it's working full-time, guys. African clinic from the 2nd of May will be working full-time between 7 in the morning and 11 in the morning. We only work there during the morning, so that I can have time to come back at home and continue with other people. So African clinic, what we do, unesilonda esingapholi, abnormal periods pain, you don't get kids, you know, you've got sores all over your body and everything, STI problems, you know, your back, it's, you know, you always have a problem with your back, things like that. You've got this severe headache, you know, there's a smell coming out of your mouth that you don't feel comfortable sometimes. Unamakhwapha anukayo, or your whole body njena in a smell, and it doesn't matter ukuthi ugqoke ufake iphi perfume, but there's a smell esiba khona. Awusayi toilet ngendlela ofanele toilet ngayo, noma ushaw number 2 toilet kubhlungu engazathi ukhipha amatshe, noma uchama, sometimes uchama kublockekile, awuchami ngisho uchama, things like that. We're dealing with them at number 17 Union Street, Empangeni. The bookings for a clinic is the same. It's 0357995703. 0357995703. We only work Monday to Friday from 7 to 11. From 7 a.m. to 11. If you want to propose for an earlier time, mhlambe ukuthi wena ufucela ufika ngo6 ngoba uyaphutha emsebenzini, I'm available to do that. You just have to speak to my colleagues at the office. 035-799-5703. Those are the booking numbers for African Clinic and Gogo Bathini Mbatha Consultation. Thokozani.